Jamie Eglin. Is that your favorite vegetable? What are you doing? Huh? What is that? Oh, sugar. What a surprise. Yum, huh? How'd you get up there?
Down.
Down? And no, you didn't go down, you went up. How did you get up there? Did you climb? Yeah, you're double dipping there, bud. You could try eating some lunch instead. You want some lunch? 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 Oh. No. You. Say bye-bye, sugar. No. Okay, hands out. No. No. Let me see those hands. Let me see those hands. Okay, go ahead. Show me how you did it. Go ahead. Show me how you did it. What are you looking at me? You gonna climb up the cupboards, or are you gonna make it a secret?
That was
Yeah. There's the sugar bowl. Yum. You faked it. You acted like you can get up there. Jamie Eglin, what you doing? You're such a punk. Jamie.